To interpret the Best Places city comparison, start by understanding the purpose of the tool, which is to provide a comprehensive comparison of cities across various factors. The comparison is based on a set of criteria that includes cost of living, crime rates, education, health, housing, transportation, and climate, among others. First, select the cities you want to compare, and then navigate to the comparison page. The page will display a side-by-side comparison of the cities, with each category scored on a scale. The scores are relative to the national average, with a score of 100 being the national average. Next, look at the overall score, which represents the city's overall desirability. This score takes into account all the categories and provides a comprehensive view of the city. A higher score indicates a more desirable city. Now, examine the individual categories, such as cost of living, crime rates, and education. Each category has a score, and you can see how each city compares to the other. For example, if a city has a cost of living score of 90, it means that the cost of living in that city is 10% lower than the national average. It is essential to consider the weights assigned to each category, as they can significantly impact the overall score. You can adjust the weights to reflect your personal preferences, allowing you to customize the comparison to suit your needs. To get the most out of the comparison, consider your priorities and what matters most to you. If you have a family, you may want to prioritize education and safety. If you are a young professional, you may want to prioritize job opportunities and entertainment options. By carefully analyzing the comparison, you can make informed decisions about which city is the best fit for you. Remember to also consider factors that are not included in the comparison, such as personal preferences and lifestyle. By combining the data from the comparison with your personal preferences, you can make a well-rounded decision about which city is the best place for you to live.